Hi everyone! Today our focus is going to be how well does Pinesol disinfect? The way I'm going to test Pinesol's disinfecting power is I'm going to follow exactly what their directions are on their label and on their website, okay? So we're going to jump right into this. So to disinfect, not just clean, but to disinfect, you're supposed to apply this product on a clean sponge or cloth, full strength, okay? Onto the surface. They say wet surface, let it stand for 10 minutes, then rinse. Okay, so we're gonna do that. But for heavily soiled areas, which we will have some, we're gonna remove the excess dirt first. With that, let's say I do my kitchen sink and it's dirty. What I'm just gonna use water and paper towels. Okay, that way we're not mixing any other soaps or cleaners with this, okay? To disinfect the toilet bowl, we're going to use half a cup of Pinesol into the bowl, swirl it around and scrub with the toilet brush. I have some Petri dishes labeled like this, and the way I'm going to sample is I have sterile swabs, and I will be putting a sample of whatever part of the house. Let's just use a kitchen sink again. I will swab it before I clean it, and we're going to put that in B for before, okay? And then I will disinfect using the Pinesol and swab it again, A for after. We're going to leave C control open just to make sure nothing is going to grow in this Petri dish anyway, okay? Just as a control. So let's get started. I'm going to clean maybe 4 different areas in my house, and we'll see how well Pinesol disinfects. Okay, now we're going to put them in the incubator. All right, now time for some results. So remember, we tested Pinesol on these different surfaces. So I do want to just say at first that on their label, it does say it kills 99.9% of germs, but there's also like a little asterisk, and the asterisk says Salmonella, Staph, and Influenza A. So I do want to say that if there were other forms of bacteria or viruses on these Petri dishes, it's possible that it's just not something that Pinesol can kill. So result number 1 is the toilet bowl. So as you can see, actually you have a picture there, so I'll hold it this way so I can see. B was before, and you can see there's plenty of bacteria there in B. Now in the A section, after we disinfected with the Pinesol, we can see there's definitely less bacteria, but there's still quite a bit. Would I say it killed 99.9% of germs? No, but was it only those 2 bacteria? Probably not. My guess is there's a bit of E. coli in here from a toilet, but who knows? So, not super impressed with its ability to clean and disinfect a toilet. Number 2, this was the bathroom sink. Okay, now looking at the bathroom sink, you can see the before, plenty of bacteria, lots of colonies there. And the after, there aren't as many colonies at all. It definitely did disinfect quite a bit here. So I wouldn't say it was 99.9%, but it definitely disinfected. I'm going to try to count the colonies on the other side. I counted 22 bigger circled colonies, while there are still some smaller bacterial colonies underneath. So I think it cleaned well, but not perfect, but it did disinfect well. Next we have, let's just stick with the bathroom now. So plate number 4 was the garbage can. Okay, so B, you can see the before. My garbage can had a fair amount of bacteria, not as much as the toilet and not as much as the sink. In A, after cleaning, we only have 1 bacterial colony on here. Just 1. So I would say that was very effective at disinfecting my bathroom trash can. And last result is the kitchen sink. Okay, the kitchen sink was plate number 3. And as you can see, this is tremendous. This was a tremendous amount of disinfecting. So you can see from B before, there's a tremendous amount of bacteria there, guys. That's a lot. In A, there's none. I can't find a colony at all on there. I actually checked to make sure that I actually did swab it, like, oh shoot, I hope I didn't make a mistake. But you can actually see the little marks on the Petri dish from where you swab. It definitely got swabbed, but there's nothing there. So I would say that the Pinesol did a great job at disinfecting both the kitchen sink and the trash barrel. Did a fantastic job at doing that. Rated 5 out of 5. Fantastic. Okay? But I would say it did a, job at the toilet. I really wouldn't give it high marks for cleaning a toilet or disinfecting a toilet. I do not think Pinesol is the correct cleaner to fully disinfect your toilet. Okay? So I would give it, how are we going to rank it for toilet cleaning? A 1. I just don't think it's good enough for a toilet. And I think right in the middle is going to be that bathroom sink, where you have some growth, didn't kill everything, but it did a good job. So we give that one, how about a 3? Rank of 3, right down the middle. So there's clearly different surfaces in the home that disinfect better with Pinesol than others. I will say, disinfecting those areas in my home with Pinesol at full strength, I felt was a bit much breathing in, respiratory wise. I felt like it's a very strong scent. I don't mind the smell of Pinesol at all. I actually think it smells kind of nice, but in small increments. When it's diluted in a gallon of water and, doing floors with it or something like that. But I felt like cleaning my house in those 4 areas, full strength, one right after another, it was almost chokingly like strong in my house. So if you're someone who's sensitive to smells, I would not use Pinesol because if you're going to be using it full strength in order to get that disinfecting power, it's going to smell very, very, very strong. If you like smells, great. I think it's great. I do think Pinesol, seeing these results for disinfecting, I would say if you're just looking for a clean and not necessarily disinfecting, I still think it's a great cleaner. I do like it. So where does this leave me? What am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? I think I will continue to use Pinesol full strength with that 10-minute disinfecting period for my sink, my kitchen sink, because that worked very, very, very well. And I think I'll continue using it full strength to clean my bathroom trash can because I'm very impressed with that. However, I'm still going to be looking for some other cleaner for the toilet and for the bathroom sink. Keep looking. If you have any suggestions of cleaners that you would like me to try, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear any suggestions that you have. I find this really fun to do. So if you have something you want me to check out, I will. So please comment down in the comment section what it is that you think. Hit that subscribe button for me because it lets me know that you are enjoying these videos. Hit that like. That definitely lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and helps me know what sort of videos I should continue doing. So please remember, like, share, and subscribe as always, and have yourself